Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to a few bloopers from the year. I think we did a bloopers file last year. This year I've had no bonnets fall on my head or anything like that like I did last time. It's mainly me forgetting the names of the projects, to be fair. Word of warning, there might be a bit of bad language in this video. So it's just a few minutes of a few outtakes from throughout the year. So let's go. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, welcome back to day one on the new project. What the f is it called? Can't remember. Cut. Right, action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to day one on the new project. Today is day one on project. What is the matter with my head today? Start again, action. Right, we've got it perched on the dashboard and we've got it plugged in. Now, the cable, as I said, and now it's just fallen off. It's because it is only perched and I've got the box up there. Let's start this again, for fuck's sake. I can't get out. I'm stuck. I'm fucking stuck. Oh. One for the next bloopers file. Oh, I'll get too old for this shit. Just waiting for the plane. Action speaks louder than words. Come on, plane, piss off. Now we've got a bird. Crying out loud. Let's just do it. Anyway, right, okay, action. Just need to interject in this little bit of video before I carry on, just to say that you will see me in a minute talk about sending off the ECU once you got it out to have it repaired. Now, I used to send it off to a company on eBay, including their delivery back to me. It would cost me £98. Pretty fast turnaround, but £98. I have invested in the equipment, if you don't already know, and I can now repair your Blue and fuck's sake. Helicopters now. Piss off. Cut. So thank you for sticking with me on this project. As I say, it's been on the go for a long time, since January. It was on the back burner so many times, but now it's finished and we can move on to the next car. So as always, if you're not a subscriber, click on the button above, or it's actually down there, but I always do that. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Read your comments, always read your comments, and I'll always like them. And just to let you know that oh fuck this. Start again. Right. What's it called? Peggy. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to day one. Is it day one? On project. I think we've already done an intro, haven't we? Yeah, bollocks, we have. Oh well, never mind. We'll carry on then. Right. Okay. Action. Morning, welcome back to the where? I forgot what I was going to say then. Start again. Action. Cut. Action. Right. Action. Oh dear, I'm losing it now. Right, start again. Action. Oh dear, stop it. Okay, cut. I'm going to switch this off and start again. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to another review. I've been sent another project. Fucking done it again. Project. Start again. Action. Morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Love 500, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to do a review on a product that we've been sent by the manufacturer. Now, it's not the most exciting project, I've said project again, not the most exciting product in the world. However, this could be the difference between your car being stolen and not. So I've been sent this from the people at I can't fucking say it. Oh my God, let's do it again. Action. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Stop. I can't speak. What's the matter with me today? Oh, let's try again. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Start again. Let's take my hat off. Bit of continuity. Right. Oh, it's cold. Right, let's get on with it. Concentrate, Paul. Let's do it. Action. But we need to get on with it, so let's do it. Let's go. Day 2 on Project Peggy. I don't like that intro. Right, engine-wise, looks really clean, actually. Oh, my camera been zoomed in. How long has it been like that? Fuck's sake. Action. So we're going to leave it there for the time being. There's still lots more to go, lots more to do on the car, but the weather is really getting in the way. We've done a fair bit today. We've got it running. That's the main thing. We can move it around. As you can see, it's moved. Just need to sort out the seats. Yeah, various bits. We won't go into what we've got to do. You know what we've got to do. So that is it for now. Hope you've enjoyed this project. What's it called? Stop. Fuck it. Let's do it again. Action. Right, hang on. Let's go down here and we'll do the little walk. Ready? Go. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Welcome back to Project... What the fuck's it called? I can't remember what the name... What is the name of this car? I have no idea. Start again. Action. Action. Oh, someone coming now. Oh, who's coming? I heard someone. Oh, cut. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to the project that again has no name. I'm filming this before, long before the... Start again. Fuck's sake. Right. Dum, da, dum, de, dum, de, dum. Right, let's go again. Okay, here we go. Action. Action. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Welcome back to another new project. This is a project I've never had before. This is a project that I have been after for quite some time in this specific colour. Fucking plane. Start again. Action. Oh, fuck's sake. Why not just kick the camera? Start again. It's one for the bloopers. Can't do this in the wind. Need to get out the wind. Right, action. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to a review. Today we are going to be installing a new stereo in a Series 4 Abarth. So this will go in a Series 4 Fiat 500 or an Abarth. Obviously they are one and the same. It doesn't matter which. This has been sent to me by the manufacturers Toto. This is a top of the range 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabyte hard disk in this. So this is a very high spec model. This is going to be put into one of my cars and the wind is fucking this video up. Ready? Action. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500 and welcome back to a review video. Today, did I say video? I think I said video. Start again. Action. Morning, morning, morning. Welcome back to the... I can't believe I said video. Stop it, Paul. Stop it. The sun's in my eyes. It's gone to my head. Right, action. That was the Amazon man who didn't even bother ringing the doorbell. So yeah, where were we? I'm not sure if I mentioned that the exhaust was blowing. So I put this up on ramps yesterday, and the back of the exhaust. Sorry, start again. You know, I changed the flexi pipe. So where the exhaust goes into the back of that, the back end of it, if it makes, oh fucking this, I'm going to start again. This makes no sense whatsoever. And the top one will switch between cameras, so you can have a picture-in-picture like it is there. It's actually in my lap, the camera now, so it's pointing at my genitals. I better cut that bit out. Yeah, it's morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Welcome back to Waffle Wednesday. We haven't done a Waffle Wednesday for quite some time now, have we? And I just wanted to go over what we've got at the moment, what's happened recently, and what's coming up in the not too distant future. So let me just adjust the camera very, very slightly, and then we'll let you know what's going on, coming on. Oh, fucking can't speak. Start again. Action. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Why did I do that? Start again. Cut. Action. Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Love 500. Welcome back to Project Hot Girl. Today is the first day in the repair. Why am I speaking like that? We'll cut this again and start again, I think. So, I hope you enjoyed those. Not as funny as they were the year before, but hopefully it kept you mildly amused. We'll carry on collating outtakes in 2026, and then we'll do another one next year. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you're not a subscriber, hit that button, subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and until the next one, and Happy New Year, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.